Thanks for tuning in to Nisha B's World. I'm Nisha B and welcome to my world. Today I am making Philly steak cheese egg rolls for the first time, you guys. So stay tuned as I put it together and show you how I cook it. Stay tuned. Alright, welcome back. Okay, like I stated earlier, I'm making easy breezy steak egg rolls. This is my first time making them. Alright, so here we go. So I chose to use provolone cheese. You can use mozzarella or even cheddar cheese. But today, like I stated, I'm using provolone. And I have here, only could find was this vegan egg roll wraps, which is fine with me. So I'm using that. And instead of me buying a big old steak, I went on and, like I said, the easy breezy way, I went on and purchased the Tyson grilled and ready steakhouse. It's already seasoned beef, but I am going to add seasoning to this here steak. Alright, so then I went on and cut up the steak, and so I have enough for myself and my family. And I have here some onions I cut up and bell pepper. And as you see to the left is the provolone cheese. Provolone cheese. And finally, you will definitely need a bowl of water, or you can do an egg wash. Because of the grocery stores are limited with food, I decided not to use my egg and do an egg wash and just do water. Alright, so okay, so as you can see here on the stove, I have a pan, and I have like a little bit of, probably like a tablespoon of oil, and I'm going to put my green peppers and onions in there and saute it, and then I'm going to add the steak to it, and I will demonstrate in a minute. And here I decided to have fries, oven-baked fries to go with our steak egg roll. And over here is my fryer that I'm going to put my egg rolls in. Alright, I'll be back. Alright, welcome back. As you see here, I have the steak and the onions and the bell pepper in the skillet. I decided to add butter to the onions and the bell pepper to give it some more flavor. And I'm going to add more seasoning to the steak, even though it's already seasoned, but I like to add more to it to give it more flavor. So there's the butter that I added, and I'm just going to saute it, and I'm going to come right back and do the next step. Okay, welcome back. As you see here, I done cooked down the steak to the way I like it, which is well done. And as you see, the peppers and the onions is now sauteed as well. And I did forget to buy some more jalapeno peppers. I thought I had some here at the house, but nope, we don't. And I love, actually me and my family, we love spicy food. And so because I don't have it, I went on and purchased some red pepper flakes. So red pepper flakes is in here. I don't know if you can see it or not. I think you can. My shadow's in the way, but yeah, it's in there. Alright, so now I done turned off the stove, and I'm going to let this sit for a minute, let it cool off, because from my understanding it's not good to put hot meat in the egg wrap, in the egg roll wrap. They said that if you put hot food in there, too hot food I should say, if it's too hot, it will make it mushy. So I'm going to let it cool off for a minute, and then I will be back and I'll show you how I wrap it up. Alright, be back in a minute. Alright, welcome back. Okay, as you see here, I have the egg roll wrap here. And then I have my cheese here, and you can't see the meat, but the meat is in the back of this camera here. Alright, so what I'm going to do is wet the egg roll wrap. It's vegan, so it doesn't have egg in it. Like I said, I purchased this one because there wasn't nothing else, no other type of egg roll wraps available. Alright, so like you see here, I put water on the edges of the egg roll wrap. And now I'm going to put the cheese right here. And then I'm going to put some meat here, the steak here, steak and onion. And then I'm going to add some more cheese to it. I like it cheesy. And I'm just going to fold it Don't want no air pocket, so let me try this a different way. Fold a little tighter here. And I'm gonna do this one next. And then fold it here. And voila. It's not perfect, but it's gonna do. Like I said, it's my first time doing this, so. Anywho, alright, I'll be back. I'm gonna finish up putting this together and I'll be back. Alright, I am back. As you see here, I have put into my fryer the egg rolls. This is 4 of them. I'm making a total of 12, but this is 4 of them. And you are to keep it in there to brown. It turns brown. As you see, it is turning brown. So I'm going to flip it, and then I'm going to cook the rest, and I'll come back and show you the final result. Welcome back. As you can see, this is the final result of the steak Philly egg roll. Alright, so here's the taste test. I'm going to use a fork and a knife to cut into it. Oh wow, it's really crispy because it's super hot. Okay, so maybe I can pull it. Oh wow, look at that smoke and all that cheese coming out. Alright, and so I'm going to pair it with Chipotle, I'm sorry, and Sriracha hot sauce. So I'm going to see which one I like the best. And I have it here in this bowl here. Ooh, look at all that cheese. Oh, okay, so I'm going to dip it in here. For a crunch. Oh, that tastes good. Okay. Chewing. Now I'm going to try this sriracha. This is going to be hot. Look at all that in there. Ooh, that's hot. Oh, both taste good. Okay, so I did a good job. I seasoned it very well. Ooh, this here is super hot, y'all. Sriracha hot chili sauce. Sriracha. Alright, so thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And you guys have a wonderful day. Smooches!